ऑफलाइन स्क्रोलिंग हम लोग कर रहे हैं, सो मूड को ऐसे अफेक्ट कर लिया, तो like when we are going off to sleep, is it still in our brain, is it still affecting our brain?
Of course, everything that we see, that is why it is said that कि भाई जब हम सोते हैं,
yes ma'am,
उससे कम से कम बता रही हूँ, आधा घंटा पहले तो फोन को रखना ही होगा, नहीं तो जो हमने स्क्रॉल किया है वो दिमाग में रजिस्टर होगा, तो वही प्रोसेस होता रहेगा सारी रात को। तो साउंड स्लीप के लिए भी ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम इसकी रेडिएशन से और इससे दूर रहें, इसको अपने से दूर रखना जरूरी है फोन को।
What is more damaging for mental health, long continuous screen time or frequent screen checks?
I will say frequent screen checks is more dangerous.
Okay ma'am, and why?
The scrolling, it shapes our mind.
Okay.
And notification क्या करते हैं, it reshapes our habits. तो ये सब चीजें हमारे माइंड पर इतना जल्दी असर कर देती हैं कि अगर हम एक नोटिफिकेशन आया और हमारा डिस्ट्रैक्शन 23 मिनट्स के लिए चला गया, तो how do you call it, you know, it's so much disgusting for a child who is like focusing on something. अब 23 मिनट के बाद जब वो रीफोकस करने लगेगा तो उसका उतना एंथुजियाज्म खत्म हो जाएगा,
उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा,
अटेंशन को लाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना, इसलिए।
Yes ma'am. Social media, does it mostly improve or mostly lower confidence? One word.
Absolutely, it lowers the confidence.
Okay. Is online validation becoming addictive for students?
Yes, absolutely.
What is one clear sign that a student is comparing themselves too much online?
Not enough scrolling.
And we can say going on with the trend?
Yeah.
The trend still there. Okay, ma'am. What kills focus faster, notifications or multitasking?
I think notification. Multitasking is the side effect of it, byproduct of it.
Deep work or shallow scrolling? What does Gen Z practice more today, honestly?
और deep work तो बहुत कम है, scrolling ज़्यादा है.
True, honestly. One daily practice that can instantly boost attention.
मैंने जैसे पहले बताया कि वो जो हम मॉर्निंग का हमने
exactly,
करना है, तो 3 minutes ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज. अभी एग्जाम से पहले, किसी को मिलने से पहले, कोई क्लास अटेंड करने से पहले आपने कुछ नहीं करना, 3 मिनट के लिए ब्रीद एक्सरसाइज करना है, and you will be present in the present moment, calm.
And ma'am, if we are working out in the morning?
That is wonderful.
Okay. In the coming years, will digital skills matter more than degrees? Yes or no?
Absolutely. As I told before, 80% of the jobs will need technical skills in future. We should be prepared for it.
One common mistake students make while building the future in this hyper digital world.
We have more information than we have skills.
Exactly.
Right? This overload of information.
So ma'am, the last segment for today, that's a super rapid, either or no. Screens or sleep?
Sleep, because that is more important
course, yeah,
than anything else. Even studying or eating or anything else.
Of course, mind refreshment is very important, yeah. Focus or FOMO, fear of missing out?
Focus.
Okay. Deep work or dopamine hits?
Deep work.
Creator or consumer?
Creator.
Okay. Creator like as content creator or creator in different aspects?
You know, see, when we talk about creation,
yes,
we talk about something out of the box thinking, basically.
Yeah.
That comes from a focused and calm mind, basically.
Confidence, internal or Instagram?
Absolutely, internal confidence is more important.
So ma'am, that was it for today. Thanks a lot for such an insightful and holistic approach and the answers which you gave. Digital discipline आजकल के ज़माने में बहुत important है. It's a very unique topic. And we thanks ma'am that she's taking this initiative on preaching this digital discipline thing in various universities and various other fields also. Thanks a lot once again ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, for this wonderful podcast session which we had.